Teacher, I wrote this song for you to thank you for every smile.
We are proud to join the rest of organizations and the rest of the world in celebrating teachers, recognizing their contribution to social and economic development. This year's theme is very interesting. It's empowering teachers, building sustainable societies. And when we talk about sustainable societies, we are actually talking about equitable societies and societies in which people can make their livelihoods and live in peace.
Touch me with your heart. Let you hold what I'm becoming in your hands.
This year, we are celebrating Teachers' Day by awarding trophies and certificates to excellent teachers in all of the 64 quality education circles. What we do is to present excellent teachers to their communities so that parents and other community stakeholders can recognize the work that they have done and can say to them, thank you.
Have disappeared into time.
If you recall the NEI report, it was generally agreed that teachers are not being as creative as the system needs. Our children have changed considerably from children long ago. They tend to be a little more distracted and a little more restless. So if teachers want to ensure meaningful learning, then their classes must be engaging. So what we have done, we have developed a program for the education of boys because the boys are not performing as well as they ought to.
This song is for those who inspire us today, who always lend a helping hand to help show us the way.
We are calling upon all members of the public to join in celebrating World Teachers' Day. We need our teachers to be encouraged. They are working as doctors, nurses, correctional officers, surrogate parents. They go far beyond the call of duty. The society is essentially built up on the work of our teachers. They need to be celebrated.
This song is for those who heard the silent cries, who stepped in to wipe the tears from the children's eyes.